Chris here at 10 Life and be ready to tint this stinger. 20% ceramic all the way around. Let's get started on the back glass. Just trimmed out the back glass, cleaned it, scrubbed it off. Now I'm getting ready to lay it. It's gonna be nice. It's all right. Alright, so I applied 20% ceramic, so it's time to do the doors now. This side is finished. I'm just gonna duplicate the process on the other side. Now we're over in the car wash, getting it wiped down. This is the finished product. Put 20% all the way around of the Medico ceramic. This is a pristine film, top of the line. And as you can see, it's all the way around. It looks good. All right, for the 2020 standard, we applied the CTX series 20%. That's a great film. Not only because the customer asked for it, but because it delivers the quality. It protects the car. You don't want your door panels cracking up and fading and your seats fading and stuff like that because of the sun exposure. This film here will guarantee to do that job. A lifetime warranty. It's worth its weight in gold. Come see us over here at 10 Life. I'm Chris. We'll see you next time.